Hey everybody, Brian Gillis here with UNet Results. Got some pictures here from our group event in Green Bay, so take a look as they play. Great group event. This is the book we dived into, Dale Carnegie, Public Speaking for Success. We got to get up in front of the group, deliver our dollar time presentations with a little more oomph this time, with some key takeaways from our book. Always got to be a great public speaker, whether you're just dealing with your team, you're at a community event, or you're talking to kids in school. These public speaking skills are something you carry with you forever. We had a fantastic presentation by Brian Pickens, who I want to personally thank. Brian went from employee to owner of Trans Solutions in Montana, and he shared his story with us, some of the things that happened he didn't expect to happen, some of the lessons he learned along the way, and we had a chance to ask questions. That was captured on video, and it will be in the library. If you're an owner that may one day sell, you don't want to miss it. If you're somebody in line for a repair shop, you have the opportunity to take over a shop, you also don't want to miss it. Also, a big old thank you to Aaron and Nikki for their hospitality. Friday, we took our bus tour to Rich's Truck and Auto in Fond du Lac. We broke into our 3 groups and audited the store. Not only did we come back with some nice takeaways, we left Rich's Truck and Auto with a pretty good, to-do list. It's going to improve their customer service, improve their financials, and improve their sales. And so it's really the power of the group when we all come together. There's so many gold nuggets that you're bound to find one and grab it. You're bound to drop one for somebody else to grab. We probably played just as hard as we worked on this visit, which is pretty customary. But we had a great time. We learned a lot, some great information. Thank you, everybody that was able to make it. I can't say it was the highlight of the visit, but then we're right there by Lambeau Field, the rich history of the Green Bay Packers. What a fabulous town. I mean, we had such a good time. So thank you for everybody that could make it to Green Bay. If you weren't able to make it, great news. We have another one coming up in October. This one's going to take place in Washington, Seattle, where we're going to visit Automotive. There's 2 locations that Brian Beatty owns in Washington. One's in Yakima and one's in Moses Lake. So put that on your calendar, October the 12th, kicking off on Wednesday all the way through Saturday, October the 15th. Brian Beatty is a great friend of mine and a genius in so many ways. I promise you'll see things at his shops you may never have seen before, and that's what it's all about. How can you help power the group, and what kind of takeaways can you get from the group? We'd love to see you there. I love these group meetings. It's so nice to see folks in person, focus on training the trainer. And so unless you're bankrolling a trainer at your shop, then most likely you're the trainer. And so we focused on some key aspects to training up our group, training up our team, not just the front counter, but also your technicians. And what's involved with that? What are the steps? Looking forward to seeing everybody. If you couldn't make it, like I said, to Green Bay, see you in Washington. If you did make it to Green Bay, I'll see you in Washington. I'd love to see you there. There's power in the group. We do 3 of them a year. Can't wait to see everybody. Y'all take care. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.